Hello. This video is to show you how to create such layouts with plan profile. So just like up main, down main. So create the sheet seed as I'm starting here and how to use. So the creation of sheet seed is really the same workflow than usual. So create the plan and create profile from the plan. So based on the layout I want to achieve, I get some measurements and I can set all parameters here. For example, here the available profile height to 14.1. So then create the sheet, and again, nothing new here. You can find a lot of content about how to create sheet seeds. Naming, here's the one the user will see in the list of drawing seed. So you can name as you want. And do it for plan and profile. So I put everything in the same sheet. And you can add some annotation if you want to. Be careful of the scale everywhere. And then hit OK. And then we've got the sheet. Now we must prepare with the good layout. So I want a A0 portrait. So I don't have it in the list. I can just type custom. I would get the layout from my preparation here. So just a copy paste in the sheet. It's just to help the design and the layout. Okay, just put it here. And now I must move my references here at the good location. So move the plan on the top and move the profile, the up main, in this case, here on the good location. Then adjust the detailing symbol and the frame. Must match the reference here. On the frame in which you want the reference to be clipped. And then the extra part here is to copy this layout, the detailing symbol and the name boundary in the second location for the second profile, the down main profile. So just copy the existing one here, and now I have a slot 3 I will use when creating sheets. So then you prepare your models as usual. Try to keep everything clean. Remove the ACS if needed. Just zoom. And don't forget to clean the file from any annotation groups or annotation definitions, and also element templates, just to not duplicate in DGN-libs. That's good for the annotation. Just check the element templates and none has been copied here. Okay, so now I can move to my design file where I will use this one. So just reload the file using this shortcut rd equal to be sure the dglib is reloaded. And I start my usual workflow, creating sheets. So using name boundaries, I need the plan and profile, of course, and you can see now that I can pick from my list and place my named boundaries. The same for the profile, except that I'm using the one from the plan group. And click. All the parameters are fine. I can go on. I will prepare now from my down main the same. So display the profile and use the same plan group to have both synchronized to the same location. Now I can create the sheets. So I will start by creating the plan profile sheets using the up main. Here I can rename my sheet model. Everything is okay. And it's creating all the sheets in this case, 6 sheets. And you can see the layout for the first one. Didn't use the same annotation group, but I will fix this later. So I don't have any margin on the left that we can see. Just a little detail. But I have all my sheets actually with plan and up main profile. So now I must add the down main profile. So to do that, I will just create my profile, but we'll add these to the existing sheet. So you must do it one by one and use the third slot available. So again, I can see now it's nicely laid out on my sheet, and I can go on to my second one, create profile, pick my existing sheet, my slot, and do that for all 6 sheets. And that's it. I've got my layout, and you can always refine the layout, moving any of the reference. So be careful to keep them aligned. Just moving up, down maybe. And I have some indicators on my layout to check how well aligned they are. We'll just see this in a second. Here, my little line here, magenta here, and the point of intersection on each of the profile to check everything is well aligned. As much as possible, of course. Now I will just use the annotation group I use to prepare my layout and define the margins and the space below the profile. This is for the renewal. And that's it. You've got all the profiles and the plan.